The nominees are
Death of a Superhero, Good Vibrations, Grabbers, Shadow Dancer, What Richard Did.
And the winner is What Richard Did. I'm looking for you.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you, IFTA. Wow. Richard was just a dream project to work on. It was one of, perhaps, in fact, was the best filmic experience of my life. Started off with Kevin Parr's book, wonderfully adapted by the brilliant Malcolm Campbell. Great support from the Irish Film Board, and crucially our brilliant team at Element Pictures. I don't need to tell you about the cast and crew. You've heard so much about them today, a wonderful group of people working together in a fantastic film, all directed and conducted by the wonderful Lenny. To paraphrase Tom Vaughan Lawler, I feel like the luckiest producer in the world. Len is an extraordinary talent and a great friend, and I salute him. Thank you very much.